Hi guys, I'm Robyn Forever and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to do a little fashion haul of all the items I bought during March, and this was literally before our lockdown. So I bought little things online and I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So first up are accessories. So as you can see in the season, we've got a lot of gold coming through as a perfect color for accessories in autumn winter. So I got this little headband from Foschini. I think this was 99 Rand. So I got this. So it's a velvet headband, and headbands are very in right now. So it's nice color, it goes with everything. It's warm, it's a brassy tone, and it's velvet. Secondly, I got this bracelet from Edgars, and this was about 89 Rand, but it was all on sale. So I think I walked away with paying for this 35 bucks. So this was a steal, a lovely bracelet. And then I got another gold chain from Edgars, and this was also 89 Rand. And it's got like 3 layers, a thick layer, a medium layer, and then a thin delicate layer. And this is one necklace, and this is also 89 Rand, and this was, I think this was 45 Rand, was also on sale. And this, yeah, 45 Rand, so a total steal. Then next I got some hair clips. Now these are the hair clips that are very trendy right now. It's got a little, what is this, pearl. It's got a little pearl on here, and it's gold, so it's only 2, and these 2 were from Jada, and it was only 39.99. So this was cute. And this I got from Superbalist. This is a hair clip with also some pearl detail and hearts, perfect for your hair. And this I got for, I think this was also 99 Rand, and it was on sale. So most of the accessories that I have here today were on sale, so this was awesome. We're gonna go on to clothes. So this is a slip dress that I got from Foschini, and it retails at $4.99. It's beautiful, like I love it. It has slits on both sides. The fabric is soft and flowy, and I think what's most lovable is the print. Like, it's such a beautiful print. It has gold detail in there, like wow, so pretty. I love it. I actually got this in December. I had to return it, it was too small, and then just before we went on lockdown in March, I went back to the store, and then I found my size, and I was like, yay, I'm getting it. And then we went on lockdown, so I haven't worn it for a second time yet. Cool. Next up, we've got a jersey from Cotton On. This was bought online at Superbalist. They were running a sale, and this was in March. They were having a March sale, so all the next items of clothing that I'm going to show you guys is all from Superbalist. Just a quick disclaimer, I love Superbalist, so I'm always on there checking what's on sale, what's been reduced, and these are one of the items that I got. So this is a chunky white knitted cardigan. It's short. So there's no buttons, and it's soft, very nice. I love these hanger loops, very nice hanger loops, so that you can hang it on your hanger. The only objection that I think I'm gonna have with this wool is that it looks like it sheds, but I think if you wash it, if you hand wash it, that will save the problem. So it's beautiful. I can't wait to wear this as well. Moving along is a trench coat. So this is a trench coat from Edit Collection. It's a brand on Superbalist as well, and I think this trench coat was about 600 Rand, and it's a double-breasted trench coat. It has pockets, and then it has a belt that you can tie, and this was on sale. I think it was 200 rand. Yeah, 200 rand. So this is a total steal, guys. The only objection about this trench coat is it's fabric, the kind of fabric that creases very quickly and it gets all the fluff on here, so be careful. Next up we have is a Melton coat. It says here classic wool-like coat, burgundy. So this is also from Edit, guys. Edit is just wow. I love Edit because it's affordable, and this was on sale as well. This is burgundy, so this is one of my favorite winter colors. It just looks nice with anyone's complexion. So it's very long, love it because it's long, has 2 pockets in, and then a new exciting detail is the turtle buttons. So pretty, very pretty. This was 600 rand and I paid, let me just think, 209 rand. 209 rand for a long Melton burgundy coat, guys. Beautiful. So next up we have is shoes. Cool. So these pairs of shoes are cute little pumps. Never been worn yet. That's cute pumps, and this is from Edit collection as well, guys. This is a beautiful blush pair of pumps with a bow detail. This pumps was $1.99. I actually need to check the price. I think it was $1.99, but guys, guess how much I paid for these? This was 40 rand. That's a steal. 40 rand for a pair of pumps. And one thing I love about pumps is that you can wear it in the transitional season, which is autumn going into winter. It's cute. I love it. You can pair this up with cute jeans, with a cute dress. You can wear it when you go shopping. I love pumps for work because it's easy with my work pants to wear pumps, or with my skinny to wear pumps. It's very comfortable, especially if I have to walk up and down the stairs, or if I am at my desk just sitting and lounging around. So perfect, love it, comfortable. The only objection I have about these pumps is the shape. I have a thing about a shape of a shoe. I think this is interesting. I've never had pumps that looks like these. These are like cute ballet pumps, so definitely gonna get my ways worth out of these. My next item is a pair of booties. So these boots I got from Jada. I know Jada has really nice shoes, very affordable. I love these boots. I wanted a boot with a block heel that wasn't too high, with some zip detail, but most importantly, it had to be this beautiful shape, which is like a pointy shape. It's pointy, but it's beautiful. It's not like pointy. It's like a cowboy boot, but it's black. So this was from Jada, and I think this was $3.89 if I'm right. Beautiful. The brand is Jada, but the shop is actually one of my colleagues. He has his own store. So this was beautiful. So if you guys are looking for a pair like these, just leave in the comments below and I will give you his details. I think he has a website, so perfect. This is beautiful. I'm gonna get my ways worth out of that as well. And last but not least, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Yeah, can't really sing well. This, oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These are Strappy blocked heels from Studio W. So this is from Woolworths, and the shoes retails at $5.99. But wait guys, wait, when I bought it online country lockdown, or was it 2 weeks, I paid $4.99 for it, so it was 100 Rand off. I think it is for first time shoppers on Woolies online. You get a discount, and this is a size too big for me, but that's what I wanted, because to get this whole aesthetic correct, I didn't want a shoe that sat on my foot. I wanted some space in the front, because that's what I saw on Pinterest. It looks beautiful. I'll show you guys some pictures. It has a little heel, small heel, so it's perfect for church. So when I go, can't wait to go to church. So when I go to church, I'm gonna wear these, and I love how these are nice and soft at the bottom. It's padded, so it's comfortable, and then who doesn't like a tie shoe? And then most importantly, guys, it's in white. So I love these shoes. I haven't worn it yet, I just tried it on. Hopefully I can pull it off. If I've made a mistake by buying it a size too big, well, that's on me. I'm just gonna rock them. So these are my new babies. I'm in love with the shoe. It comes in white and black. I actually wish that it came in like a nude color, but yeah, this is good as well. And then it has a little gold detail on the strap, so perfect. For joining, guys. That is it for my fashion haul for March and April 2020. Stay safe, stay home, and please stay tuned to my Robyn Forever videos. Click subscribe, like, or comment below. Till next time, mwah.